Figure 145. Today, we will be reviewing the S.H.Figuarts Power from the series Chainsaw Man. So, this is everything that comes with her out of the box. This is her default piece from out of the box, which if I may say, they really got Power's look from the anime. This is her happy look. This is her worried or scared look. This is her sad look. And finally, this is her angry or shouting look. And of course, what is a power figure without her cat? From out of the box, he comes with a closed fisted hands, scratchy fighting hands, wide open hands, peace sign hands, another set of semi-open hands, and of course, weapon holding hands. As for her weapon accessories, she has two blood knives, one small hammer, and of course her trademark giant hammer. I think this is hollow inside, because it is a very light hammer, which I think is a good choice, because if they did not make this hollow, it will be very heavy for the figure's joint to hold her. And since it is hollow inside and light, I believe that they made the right choice, because you can easily post power with this huge hammer without any problem. Now let's go for the figure's sculpting details. The hair has a little wash over here, but I thought this is the only place where they put some wash, but I think there's also some here, so I think that's a very good choice. And by default, they made this hair wherein it is a little bit blocking her face. I just wish they gave us another option for this hair wherein it doesn't cover her face. But overall, I think this is a good choice. I just hope we had an option wherein there is no hair blocking her face like this. They made a choice wherein her jacket is a little down over here, but I think it's okay because I think in the anime most of the time her jacket is a little dropped down here. I love the fact that despite that they are demons, they are wearing these cute shoes, same as Reggie's. I mean, sorry, what was Reggie? Same as Chainsaw Man. Now for articulation. For the head, they made the choice of her hair having articulation here, which I think is good because this will help in when she looks up so that it won't be unhindered. Then she can look down like that. The head joint in my copies are a little tight, which is why I'm having a hard time posing her. But she can look down like that. Then she can look to the side like that. See, it's a little tight. Just look at that sound. I don't like it when my figure makes that sound. I might have to fix that, but I think she has both a joint in the head and, if I'm not mistaken, also in the neck. It's a little tight there. Yeah, if you can hear that sound, it is a little tight. Now for, now for the hand articulation. She can do the T pose pretty well. She can turn it around. Double jointed elbow. I'm testing both sides because they don't look the same. They are not designed the same. Okay. So that's for the hand articulation. Now for the torso articulation, note that this part of the jacket is made of soft rubber. This too. But this one on the back, this is hard plastic. Okay, so she can look down. I think she also has waist rotation. So combining the abdomen and the waist rotation, she can look down that far. She can look back that far. I think that hard plastic will be in the way when you're making her look up, look back that far. So this will be in the way. Then she can look on the side. She can look on the side. Now as for the leg articulation, she has a thigh swivel. She can spread her leg that far. More here, because in here, this is in the way. Though it is soft, I think you can still, yeah. So she can spread her legs that far. She can kick that far. She can kick back that far. Double jointed knee. My coffee have a very loose joint here. I'm having a problem making this figure stand because mine have a loose joint here. Yeah. She has a toe articulation. Ironically, if you will see while I'm doing the articulation test, you can hear those noises that proves that her joints are tight. The only joint which I wish would have been tight is this one, because when you post her standing, but my coffee, this is loose, which is a bummer. When I post her, she kept falling down like that. Anyway, articulation wise, I guess it is okay, but it is not as enjoyable as the first figure, Chainsaw Man, because that figure is really articulated. But considering the design of this character, I think they did made the right choice, because they had to consider both the look of the character and the articulation, how they will apply. I think S.H.Figuarts still made the right choice in the engineering of this figure's articulation. Overall, I think this is a good addition in the Chainsaw Man line for S.H.Figuarts, and I love that the very first character that they release is Chainsaw Man and then Power, because they are the two main characters of the anime. Um, Aside from the loose joint here, I don't really have any problem with this figure. I think the best comment that I can give to this figure is that they really got the face of Power from the anime, because I did see some statues and other figures of Power wherein her face is a little off, but this figure, all of the face templates, they got Power's face very well. And despite the design choices that they made for the jacket, I think I think it is okay when you're posing her, it doesn't matter. So for me, this figure is a definite buy, especially if you love this character like me.